Hello. Today we're going to create a JavaScript function that creates a timetable chart for the numbers 1 through 12 for the given number. So let's go ahead and name our function. We'll call it times tables, and it will be given an input of a number, and we'll put in curly braces. Let's go ahead and call the function down here so that it's ready to go once we have it written. So we'll call it with a 9 to begin with. And to start out, we'll create an empty array, and that empty array will be signified by empty brackets. And then let's start out with a for loop. So we want to start at 1. So we want to equal I equals 1. And then we'll go from 1 through 12. So up to but not including 13. And then increment each time we go through. Curly braces, and then we want to take the answer and push it into the array. So we want to first display, so using backticks, so that we can just put in text and variables, we'll put in the first variable, which is the number, whatever number is down in the whatever number when we call it. So in this case it would be a 9, since that's what we've called. And it would be 9, and then this is the times symbol in text form, so we're not actually doing the math yet. And we want to put that in with numbers 1 through 12, so that's represented by I. And then we want to actually do the math, so we put that in curly braces, and it'll be I times the number, closing curly brace. Okay. Then all we have to do is return the answer, so we could just return the array. Let's see what that does for us. Okay, that actually does the math, but it puts it into an array, which is not exactly how we want to display it. So instead of an array, we want to join that array just so we can display text. And we want a \n because that's our new line figure. So we'll join it with the new line figure, and that should give us what we want. Let's see what it does. And yes, so 9 times 1 through 12 and all the answers. If we put in another number, so let's put in 4, for example, then that gives us 4 times 1 through 4 times 12 with the answers. So there's our function.